One-line art is super trendy these days and I have been wanting to DIY something for myself to follow this trend. If you want to follow this trend and make something for yourself, then keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Eman and I am the Messy Lassie. Welcome to my channel. In this episode, I am going to be showing how to DIY an embroidered t-shirt. I've been following different brands and I see that one-line art is super trendy. It's on clothes, it's on wall art, it's on vases and it's on different kind of decor. So I wanted to make something similar for myself inspired by this trend. I came across ASOS and I saw a t-shirt that had a one-line face embroidered on it. So I was like, yes, this is what I'm going to make. So if you want to make one for yourself as well, then let's go. For inspiration, I go to Pinterest. It is my favorite website and filled with so many amazing ideas. So here I'm going to search for ideas for embroidered t-shirts. As you can see, there are so many beautiful embroidered tops here. So much inspiration. These are all so good. But I'm looking for something that is more one-line art related. I absolutely love this one with a face on one shoulder. It's not really one-line art, but it's so cool. I love this one as well. Okay, so this is definitely the one that's inspiring me the most. It's by ASOS. This one is pretty cool too. So yes, I'm going to take inspiration from ASOS and make something similar in my own style. But next, I'm going to look for some more inspiration for one-line art. I love this one with the flower. Really cool. Super nice, but it's really complex. I'm going to incorporate a flower for show. This is a much simpler version. I'm going to do something similar. I love it. First, I'll cut a piece from this fabric stabilizer because my t-shirt is stretchable, so I need a stabilizer so the embroidery is nice and firm. Next, I'll turn the t-shirt inside out. I'm placing the stabilizer onto it in the middle where I'm going to do my embroidery, and then I'll iron it onto the t-shirt. Once done, I'll turn it right side out. Next, I'll draw my art onto the t-shirt. You don't need to be perfect. I'll take my embroidery thread. Embroidery threads come in bunches of 6 threads. So I need 3 threads, so I'm going to separate these. I'm going to use 3 threads at the same time to do my embroidery. I'll use a backstage. So basically I'm taking the thread out a bit far from my previous stitch and then I'll go back into the fabric where my previous stitch ends. And then I'm going to continue this. You can use any stitch that you find suitable. You have to enjoy the whole process. It's time consuming, but it's so much fun. It's really cool to make something of your own in your own style. So I would say that you take your time, relax and have fun. There's just one tip that I would give you, and it's that when you use this embroidery hoop, make sure to pull the fabric all around the hoop to make it nice and firm. I by no means am a professional, but I love creating stuff and this is so much fun. I know, it's not really one-line art if there's anything disconnected in the art, but I had to create the eye and it was very last minute. Once the embroidery is done, I'll turn the t-shirt inside out and pull the stabilizer out and cut it. I'll leave the stabilizer where the embroidery is and remove the excess. How this turned out. It's not perfect, but it's kind of like an abstract one-line art. So yeah, I think it goes with my vibe and I really like it. Alright guys, so this is all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this DIY. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you want to be notified every single time I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram as well. The link is in the description box below. So until next time, take care, have fun and be messy. Bye! So in this episode, I'm going to be sharing a DIY